Hi everyone, this is Kim from KILA Create Printables and welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to be working in my Antique Couture journal. If you haven't already seen the first tutorial in this series, you might like to check it out on my channel. I show you how I made this lovely fabric cover and I sewed in the signatures as well. So today what I wanted to focus on was just some page edge decorating. So I just thought I might give you some ideas that I have on ways to decorate the edges of the pages and do some creative things with that. So I'm just going to get started. I've got a whole stack of lace and bits and pieces here that I'm going to see how I can use, but I've also got a couple of other fun things that I wanted to show you. So grab a cup of tea or coffee or your drink of choice and sit back and follow along, and I'll see where this takes me. Okay, for this one, what I've got here is I've got some pressed dried flowers that I've collected from my garden and left in my flower press for a while, and I've just arranged them in a strip in a nice way that pleases me, and have run that through my laminator. So I've just used laminating plastic, and what I plan to do is cut around this edge and then probably back it, maybe tear some of this page off and add that to the edge of that page. I'll just say here that you don't necessarily need to use pressed flowers for this technique. You can use paper flowers, you could use scraps of fabric or scraps of paper and just laminate those. So I've just got a few more bits of lace and things here, so I'm just going to go through now and just add a few more of these just to the edges of the pages, and we'll see where we're at then. So I mentioned in my last video that I wasn't quite happy with how the middle of the signatures turned out just with the thread that I used, because it was quite slippery. The knots came undone, so I glued it in place instead, and I'm not really a fan of this look. So I did cover that up with the first page edge idea that I did, turning this into a pocket by gluing the two pages together. So I thought that I might try and do something similar with this one, so that I can hide the middle of this and turn this into some sort of pocket as well and decorate the edge. But I thought that I might this time maybe tear the page and put some lace behind it. But let's have a go and see how that turns out. Thank you for watching this KILA Create Printables tutorial today. I hope you enjoyed crafting along with me as I decorated some page edges for my Antique Couture journal. Don't forget to check the description down below for links to my Etsy store, and come and find my Facebook group where you can join in lots of crafting fun and download a stack of freebies.